breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play.
Mummy, please can we go out to play?
You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast.
Play now, Mummy.
Not while George has hiccups.
But George's hiccups have gone, Mummy. Haven't they, George?
After George.
Your hiccups. You have to do what I say. Now your hiccups have gone.
Peppa's cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked.
George, you have done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. Now, wave your arms up and down and stick 3 times.
Peppa's new cure hasn't worked either. George still... with 2 beakers of juice.
Peppa Pig.